Greetings, and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday morning, June 25th, 2025, and we have a great mix of health, fitness, and wellness headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Biomed News Breaks. HealthLynked Corp, OTCQB, HLYK, partners with Endlink to advance hospital data integration. HealthLynked Corp, a healthcare technology and patient engagement company, has partnered with Endlink, a data integration firm, to enhance EMR connectivity and workflow automation across hospital systems. Led by Ruben Vieira, Endlink's platform in Puerto Rico serves over 300,000 members and supports two major hospital systems. Vieira, with over 25 years of healthcare IT experience, will help expand HealthLynk's capabilities in real-time data integration. This collaboration also allows for the deployment of HealthLynk's tools like AI-driven insights and virtual care access across Endlink's client base. For more information about HealthLynked Corp, please visit www.healthlynked.com.
GeoVax announces issuance of patent covering novel vaccine construct for preventing malaria infection. GeoVax Labs, Inc. has announced the issuance of a patent covering a novel vaccine construct for preventing malaria infection. The patent supports a multi-antigenic VLP-MVA vaccine design for products used against endemic and emerging infectious diseases. The patent covers compositions comprising GeoVax's recombinant modified Vaccinia ankara viral vector expressing immunogenic proteins from Plasmodium falciparum. The novel construct supports expression of virus-like particles assembled from P. falciparum circumsporozoite protein or gametocyte surface protein fused to a Marburg virus glycoprotein transmembrane domain along with the Marburg VP40 matrix protein. This vaccine design aims to enhance vaccine potency and induce both humoral and T-cell responses. GeoVax President and CEO, David Dodd, stated that this patent demonstrates their commitment to advancing vaccines addressing globally persistent and emerging pathogens, supporting long-term value creation and public health impact.
Still top cause of death, the types of heart disease people are dying from is changing. Research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association reveals that while overall heart disease death rates have dropped by 66% in the past 50 years, there has been a shift in the types of heart disease people are dying from. Deaths from heart attacks have decreased by nearly 90%, while deaths from heart failure, arrhythmias, and hypertensive heart disease have increased. Advances in public health measures focused on prevention and life-saving interventions have allowed people to live longer with chronic heart conditions. The American Heart Association emphasizes the importance of prevention, highlighting the need to address emerging challenges in managing heart conditions other than heart attacks to ensure healthy aging.
Shifa Therapy launches global Muslim therapist platform. Shifa Therapy has launched a global platform for Muslim therapists, connecting individuals worldwide with qualified therapists for online counseling sessions. The platform offers faith-based counseling services aligned with Islamic beliefs, addressing the challenges many Muslims face in accessing culturally competent care. With affordable pricing starting at $57, Shifa Therapy aims to make mental health support more accessible to underserved communities. Every session is confidential and led by licensed Muslim therapy providers trained to approach mental health through a faith-sensitive lens. The platform offers multilingual options, flexible scheduling, and support for individuals, couples, and families, making mental wellness globally accessible. To book a therapy session, users can visit the Shifa Therapy website for convenient, culturally sensitive support from the comfort of their homes.
From lessons to launch, how financial insights sparked the rise of Crystal Skin. In Austin, Crystal Kelly's skincare brand Crystal Skin was inspired by financial insight and long-term vision. Financial advisor Erin Edwards sparked clarity by gifting her Smart Women Finish Rich by David Bach, leading to structured goals and a future-minded approach. Today, Crystal Skin merges skin science with intention, offering products designed to elevate skin health and inner radiance. With a foundation of faith and service, Crystal is shaping a brand that reflects a new standard in skincare, where nature meets performance and elegance meets intention.
Biomed News breaks. InMed Pharmaceuticals Inc. Nasdaq INM reports positive preclinical results for INM-901 in Alzheimer's neuroinflammation model. InMed Pharmaceuticals Inc., a pharmaceutical company listed on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol INM, has reported positive preclinical results for its compound INM-901 in an Alzheimer's neuroinflammation model. The data shows significant reduction in inflammation markers independent of amyloid beta or tau pathology. INM-901 targets CB1, CB2 receptors, and PPARs, demonstrating improvements in cognition and behavior in animal studies. The company plans to advance the compound through additional preclinical and IND-enabling studies with a lead indication in Alzheimer's disease. To learn more, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Tiny Gems breaks. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. Nasdaq highlights GBM treatment insights in KOL segment, featuring Dr. Aaron Dunbar. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. highlighted GBM treatment insights in a KOL segment, featuring Dr. Aaron Dunbar, Director of Neuro-Oncology at Piedmont Atlanta Hospital. Dr. Dunbar discussed the patient journey and treatment options for glioblastoma multiforme, emphasizing CNS's lead product candidate, TPI-287, and its potential for GBM and future tumor indications. CNS Pharmaceuticals is developing anti-cancer drug candidates for brain and CNS cancers, with lead candidate berubicin in development for serious brain oncology indications. Tiny Gems is a communications platform focusing on small-cap and mid-cap companies, providing access to wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions.
Could wheat germ hold the key to supercharging immunotherapy? New research hopes to find out. An ongoing clinical trial at the Comprehensive Cancer Center at UC Davis is investigating whether fermented wheat germ could enhance outcomes for cancer patients undergoing immunotherapy. The study aims to determine if this could help patients live fuller lives or even overcome cancer. Kalidi Biotherapeutics, Inc. is also conducting research in this area. This research could potentially revolutionize immunotherapy treatments for cancer patients. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking study.
Dario Health's platform solves GLP-1's biggest problem, new research shows. While trading at 1% of Hinge Health's $3 billion valuation, Dario Health Corp unveiled research findings addressing a critical challenge in the weight loss market. GLP-1 users saw significant improvements, with blood glucose levels dropping from 9.0% to 6.7%. Even after stopping medication, users maintained stable outcomes for at least 6 months. Dario Health's AI platform achieved 89% accuracy in forecasting glucose levels, positioning the company to meet demand. With DRIO shares trading at 69 cents and a market cap of $30 million, the company appears undervalued compared to peers like Hinge Health. Dario Health's multi-condition platform offers comprehensive value to health plans and employers. The company's recent research validates its approach to sustainable weight management, highlighting potential upside for investors. Dario Health aims for operational cash flow break-even by the end of 2025, showing progress toward improved financial performance. Healthcare Triangle Inc., HCTI, announces enterprise-wide cost optimization plan. Healthcare Triangle Inc., listed on Nasdaq as HCTI, has announced a new enterprise-wide cost optimization plan. The initiative aims to reduce pre-acquisition expenses by up to $1.8 million annually. This plan is part of HCTI's commitment to improving financial performance and long-term growth in its digital healthcare assets. Key focus areas include aligning workforce and resources with revenue-generating priorities, eliminating redundancies, leveraging automation and AI, and optimizing vendor relationships. The The company's COO and CFO are confident that this initiative will drive efficiency, improve shareholder value, and foster innovation for clients. For more information, visit healthcaretriangle.com. Axum Biotechnologies files pre-submission with FDA for CLIA waiver pathway on lactoferrin point-of-care diagnostic test. Axum Biotechnologies has filed a pre-submission with the FDA for a CLIA waiver on its lactoferrin point-of-care diagnostic test. This test, TearScan LF, is the first FDA 510(k) cleared POC diagnostic test for aqueous-deficient dry eye disease. By measuring lactoferrin tear levels, the test helps in diagnosing tear deficiency and monitoring response to treatment over time. The pre-sub-Q process allows early engagement with the FDA to receive feedback and clarify regulatory expectations. Axum plans to conduct a clinical study to support its CLIA waiver application, with FDA feedback expected within 60 days. If approved, a CLIA waiver would broaden clinical use by eliminating certification requirements, making the test more accessible to eye care providers.
GeoVax comments on FDA approval of Keytruda in head and neck cancer, underscoring potential for Gedeptin combination therapy. GeoVax Labs, Inc. comments on the FDA approval of Keytruda in head and neck cancer, highlighting the potential for their Gedeptin combination therapy. This approval signifies a significant advancement in curative intent treatment for head and neck cancer, supporting GeoVax's Phase 2 Gedeptin trial. The trial aims to improve tumor clearance and reduce relapse by combining Gedeptin's targeted cytotoxicity with checkpoint inhibition. The NEJM editorial emphasizes the importance of patient selection and treatment duration in the immunotherapy era, aligning with GeoVax's biomarker-driven approach. GeoVax is excited to embark on the next phase of Gedeptin development, aiming to enhance local tumor eradication and systemic anti-tumor immunity. ABVC Biopharma converts strategic note into equity in AIBTL Biopharma, commits to up to $20 million in total investment. ABVC Biopharma Inc. has converted its $100,000 convertible note into 10,000 shares of AIO Biopharma Inc. at a conversion price of $10 per share. ABVC plans to invest up to $20 million in AIBTL over time, supporting its role as a lead strategic investor. AIBTL will use the funds to fulfill licensing obligations and collaborate with global pharma partners for Phase 3 development. ABC's capital-light strategy involves investing in partners through a combined licensing and equity model. AIBTL holds exclusive global rights to ABVC's two CNS drug candidates, ABV 1504 and ABV 1505. ABVC aims to benefit from future milestone and royalty revenues as AIBL succeeds in advancing its pipeline.
Medicus Pharma Limited. Novel treatment for basal cell carcinoma could upend the $15 billion market. Medicus Pharma Limited is making waves in the skin cancer treatment market with its revolutionary new approach to treating basal cell carcinoma. By utilizing a patented dissolvable microneedle patch, the company aims to deliver a chemotherapeutic agent to kill tumor cells and prevent cancer recurrence. Preliminary trial results have shown promising outcomes, with over 60% of subjects achieving complete clinical clearance. With a potential market size of over $15 billion annually for BCC procedures, Medicus is well positioned to capture a significant share if SkinJect is approved. Additionally, the company's recent acquisition of Antev Limited further expands its market opportunities in the cancer treatment space. Investors looking for a unique opportunity in cancer treatment should keep an eye on Medicus as it continues to make strides in the industry.
Creative Biolabs turbocharges mRNA revolution with end-to-end solutions. Creative Biolabs is at the forefront of the mRNA revolution, offering end-to-end solutions for therapeutic development. Their platform includes precision tools for mRNA therapies, custom SARNA synthesis, and targeted LNP synthesis for enhanced delivery. By integrating cutting-edge modifications, Creative Biolabs maximizes translational accuracy and shelf life, crucial for global distribution. Their expertise in nucleic acid therapeutics is reshaping medicine, from curing HIV to personalized cancer vaccines. Connect with Creative Biolabs experts at upcoming industry events and explore collaboration opportunities for groundbreaking mRNA development.
Creative Biolabs leads the charge in liposome development. Creative Biolabs is leading the charge in liposome development, offering advanced platforms and technologies to support lipid-based drug delivery research. With a variety of liposome types available, including conventional, PEG-ylated, and cationic liposomes, they aim to enhance biologic stability and release profile. By providing innovative liposome products for applications like anti-cancer therapies and vaccines, Creative Biolabs is revolutionizing drug therapies. Their experienced team is dedicated to bringing the latest solutions to customers' therapeutic needs, ensuring tailored solutions and end-to-end technical support. As the biopharmaceutical industry evolves, Creative Biolabs remains committed to advancing liposome technologies and driving medicine forward.
Dr. Sergey Grinberg announces national scholarship for aspiring healthcare professionals. Dr. Sergey Grinberg has announced the launch of the Dr. Sergey Grinberg Healing Hands Scholarship for Healthcare, offering a $1,000 award to an undergraduate student passionate about medicine and dedicated to service and innovation in health-related fields. The scholarship aims to support future healthcare leaders who prioritize improving lives and communities. Applicants must be enrolled in an accredited U.S. college, pursuing a healthcare-related degree, and submit an essay on their career inspiration and impact goals by January 15, 2026. The recipient will be announced on February 15, 2026, selected based on originality, insight, and alignment with Dr. Sergey Grinberg's values of healing, leadership, and public service.
Inspiring tomorrow's physicians, Dr. Joel Burley launches national scholarship to empower aspiring medical leaders. Dr. Joel Burley has launched the Dr. Joel Burley Scholarship for Future Doctors, offering a one-time award of $1,000 to support undergraduate students pursuing a career in medicine. The scholarship, open to U.S.-based students on pre-medical tracks, aims to recognize individuals committed to making a difference in healthcare. Applicants must submit an original essay reflecting on their inspiration for pursuing medicine and their vision for impacting patients or the healthcare system. With a deadline of January 15, 2026, the scholarship not only provides financial support, but also encourages integrity, empathy, and innovation in future medical leaders. Dr. Joel Burley's initiative reflects his dedication to education and mentorship, aiming to cultivate excellence in the medical profession for generations to come.
Dr. Wade Newman, a legacy of service, leadership, and compassionate healthcare. Dr. Wade Newman, a highly distinguished dental professional, humanitarian, and community leader, has built a legacy of service, leadership, and compassionate healthcare. With over 2 decades of dental practice, military service, and humanitarian outreach, Dr. Newman's impact goes beyond Eagle Valley family dentistry. His career began with a Bachelor of Science in Administration of Justice, transitioning to dentistry with a DDS from West Virginia University. Inspired by a mission to Guatemala, he has volunteered with Mission of Mercy and Give Kids a Smile. As a lieutenant colonel in the U.S. Air National Guard, he provided dental care in Africa. Dr. Newman's commitment to the next generation is evident through the Dr. Wade Newman Grant for Healthcare Students, supporting undergraduates pursuing healthcare programs. Applications for 2025 are open until September 15th. His leadership in organized dentistry, including roles in the Pennsylvania Dental Association, reflects his dedication to patient-centered care and community health. Dr. Wade Newman's legacy is one of unwavering dedication to service, ethical practice, and inspiring future healthcare leaders.
Lexum, new study indicates efficacy of multiple doses of extracellular vesicles to address muscle myopathy. A new study by Lexum LLC reveals that multiple doses of extracellular vesicles, EVs, could help reduce the risk of lung injury in ICU patients on mechanical ventilation. Initial results show improvements in diaphragm muscle fibers after 1 dose, with even more progress seen after 2 doses. The study, conducted at Lexum's unique lab in Uppsala, Sweden, supports the hypothesis of Professor Lars Larsson, Lexum's chief scientific officer, on the efficacy of EVs derived from bone marrow mesenchymal stromal cells. The positive outcomes following a second dose of EVs indicate nearly complete preservation of muscle fiber size and function. Lexam plans to move forward with Phase 1 trials in Europe, aiming to address muscle myopathies in ICU patients and improve outcomes for millions of individuals. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.